we're gonna be unboxing some square ones and square two. Again, this is square one, square two by the Cubicle. They are not a sponsor. I just like to buy my cubes from there. So we got the square two magnetic. It's a Shengshow. And we got the square one magnetic for Magic Cube. I love this brand. For magnetics, this is the best. So let's go open the square one first, like magnetics for Magic Cube. So on the box. Alright, so in the box we got this box. This is what we got in there. Oh yeah, something that I love about this cube is that we can change the tile and make it black. So that's a neat thing that I really like for that cube. So we got the tiles, the screwdriver, and the pamphlet how to resolve the square one. Right, and we got this square one. So this one is magnetic. My first square one was the X-Man V or Bolt, whatever, and it's not magnetic, but it's a really good square one. That's what I learned, and I really love it. But now I need to get an improvement, so I decided to get a magnetic. And let's see. Oh yeah, it's a little bit dry, but I like the magnets. I just have to put some lube and it's gonna be okay. But the magnet is steel, so that's a good thing. All right. So let's see how we can change the tile to make it up. So we got it without the tiles, so we're gonna put it back. The black tiles. Oh, there you go. See, it looks sick. The top black, I like that. Look at the color patterns. Look pretty good, black and white. Love it. So that's it. That's a square one unboxing. Do you see it? I like it. For Magic Cube is really, well, I love magnetics. That's why I make it good. All right, so I never have or never used before a square tube. So I want to see how it is, and I'm curious about it. So let's see what we got with the Shengshow a square tube from Mr. M. So we got a booklet. Instruction is in Japanese, but I think I can figure it out for the drawers that they got. So yeah, this is a square too. So it's turned just like the square 0, so it's magnetic too. Now the top layer is a little bit rough to do it. It's really dry, so we have to put a lube in it, and that should do it. The bottom layer is pretty good, but what I see, the top layer is like really dry, so we need to put lube on it. I can fix that, no problem with that. But the turns is pretty good, the middle turns, that's what we like. So yep, so I can't wait to learn how to do this one. It has to be almost the same. The only thing, they got small pieces instead of the big pieces, but I think I can manage to do it. So I make a video about how to solve it for those guys who like the squares. Like I said, we got square 0, we got the square 0, we got the square 1, and we got the square 2. So we got the group all together. I'm gonna make a video how to solve all of them. I'm gonna put it in order, so we're gonna go from 0, 1, and 2. Because like I said, square 0 you only can solve with one algorithm. So see you to the next one. Bye.